How to delete everything on your iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Then you want to scroll down and tap on general. After that, you want to scroll down to the bottom and then you want to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then you want to tap on reset. Here, what you need to do is you have to make sure that you have everything backed up already. That is your files and folders that you need in the future. After you have made sure that you have backed up everything, you want to go ahead and tap on reset all settings. Then as soon as you do that, you'll enter your passcode and after that you'll tap on reset all settings. As you do that, what will happen is your phone will be as new as you bought it, and then you'll be able to sell it or anything that you can do. That is how you can delete everything on your phone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.